Look at that. That's the ship. I didn't get my smile at all. They got me like.
I know, mine too. Mine's like.
I was like, oh, okay.
Nice.
So now we're in there. Oh wow, I'm already seeing it. It's like entering a airplane. I love it. That's awesome. Wow, we made it. Oh my gosh. Wow. Yeah. Might as well. Oh wow. 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 And you can get soda here too.
Yeah. And our soda's free.
Yeah. For us.
We paid for it already. We're gonna just go up to the Lido where it's not as busy.
Sure.
Or you want to get it here?
Either way.
Let's just get it.
Okay. Yeah, I was just looking up. Love the shirt. It's the best forecast.
I'm pretty sure it's going to be 100%.
Oh, perfect. You should be a weatherman.
Yeah, exactly.
All right, where are we going?
Was E this way? I looked at F instead of E.
E's that way.
Okay, you're going to the
Look at the little submarines. Do the cruise shuffle. Do the cruise shuffle. Do the cruise shuffle. Everyone moves around. Woo! Making it. Oh, hello again. Nah. Yeah, it's amazing. Nah, not really. Not these awesome little submarines that you could just take if things went bad.
Hello, Mr. Station E, lovely 1321. There we go, I've got two of you there. Just want to step against the wall for me, please. That'll be it.
Yeah. We'll get it over with though, so we don't have to do it later.
Exactly. I don't want to have to do non-fun stuff later.
Right? We're trying to be lit. Maybe by the time we get back, our bags will be there. Woo! Thank you. How perfect. I didn't even hear a word. I just saw press this for light. I know, she just goes, press this light, and then the ladies next to goes, oh, we're done. I'm like, oh, cool.
You want to go?
Yeah.
Or you want to go to the lobby and look at the view?
I just want a drink.
Okay.
Wow, this place is crazy.
I know.
Yep. Alchemy Bar.
Not open. This is.
Wow. You can just chill here anytime.
Yeah.
Drinks brought to you. Oh, the coffee shop. I can get one. And the red frog. I feel like I'm watching a YouTube video. This is not real. I've seen this so many times that I'm actually living it. I feel like I need a drink before I go to the Lido. We can do both. Do the safe drink first. All right. Oh, I just saw that. I didn't know if that was.
We're good? Okay. Can I have a Miami Vice? Miami Vice?
And then, can I just do a, I had thought when we were done, Sex on the Beach? Or wait, what? Yeah. Perfect.
There you go,
Oh, Sex on the Beach. That's what it tastes like.
Oh, that's unlimited bubble.
Yeah, we have that. What you gonna do? What you gonna do?